Readers love bookmarks. We probably collect them as much as we collect books, when we're not misplacing the bookmarks. Hello, I'm Allie, the literary sewist. Here in my crafting castle, I create projects inspired by the books I read. Today, in this video, I'm combining my love of sewing and my love of books to show you 3 different ways you can sew bookmarks. And maybe if you stick around for the end, I'll even show you a 4th no-sew version. But until then, let's get sewing. Start by pressing and interfacing the fabric. Right sides together, sandwich the ribbon in the middle. Sew both long sides and the short side with the ribbon. Backstitch a few times over the short end for added security. Clip the corners using the inside ribbon as a guide. Turn right sides out, pull out the corners. Press, then tuck in the raw edges at the bottom. Top stitch around the entire bookmark. I start at the top so I can secure the ribbon with extra back stitching. Start by pressing and interfacing the back and fold fabric. Fold one square diagonally, then line up with the front square. Right sides together, line up the back with the front. The fold should be sandwiched in the middle. Sew 3 sides, including both fold sides. Clip the corners, turn right sides out, then pull out the corners. Press, then tuck in the raw edges. Top stitch as close to the edge as possible. Start by pressing and interfacing both fabrics. Right sides together, sandwich the elastic between. Sew both long sides and the short side with the elastic. Backstitch over the elastic a few times. Clip the corners, turn right sides out, and poke out the corners. Press, keeping the elastic away from the heat. Tuck in the raw edges, then bring the elastic around and tuck in the open end. Top stitch as close to the edge as possible. Okay, I am done sewing. I'm going to grab these bookmarks and I'm going to head out. If you're ready to get your book dragging on, give this video a thumbs up. Oh yeah, hold on. Stay right there. We've got a no-sew version to show you too. Apply the heat and bond to both sides of the fabric and both sides of one end of the ribbon. Remove the backing from the heat and bond, then wrong sides together, sandwich the ribbon at one end and press. Trim any excess. If you're using cotton woven, pinking shears or fray check will be necessary. Thank you so much for joining me. I'd love to have you come join us at the Literary Sewist Book Club over on Facebook. I'll leave links in the description below. We pick a new book to read every month as a group, and we also discuss books we're reading throughout the month. In the meantime, you may also be interested in my gift-giving guide for readers or some of my sewing tutorials, so head on over here. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for future installments of my bookish sewing goodness. Be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time there's a new video available. See you next time!